Reason behind that is because if you are close enough to hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. It doesn't have to be raining directly over you for something like that to happen.
Right.
So the thing to do is just to be indoors. That's the safest thing.
Do we have any rain chances in the next few days?
Not today, not tomorrow, Kara, but it's looking pretty good actually for Sunday, Monday. And get this, we cool down to 92 degrees on Monday.
But that's like, that's like 10 degrees potentially.
I know, yeah, it's a big deal. You'll notice the difference. But today, not the case. We're looking at a temperature of 88 from our Trend Tower camera in Rockwall. The heat index is 94, and you see the blue sky overhead, right? Today, the temperature has already climbed to 91 degrees, but it feels like 95 when you factor in the humidity. So a heat index already very much in place. At this point yesterday, we were at 91, and yesterday we made it to 101, the hottest temperature of the year so far. Winds out of the southwest just like yesterday. That southwest wind helps bring in slightly drier air that warms up faster, and that is the reason why we made it into the triple digits yesterday. Today, I'm thinking we do it again. About 101, that happens between 3 and 4 this afternoon. It'll feel like 103 at peak heating. Winds are going to be a little breezier this time around, gusting closer to 20 miles per hour. We hold on to some of the warmth, though, overnight as the humidity is still in place. It bottles up some of that heat as we head into the nighttime hours. 100 for the high in Denton and in Fort Worth, 101 in Dallas and in McKinney. I'm thinking tomorrow we do again see the triple digits with 100 degrees, 99 on Saturday, 96 on Sunday. There's that big cool down I was talking about, down to 92 degrees on Monday. Believe it or not, that's technically cooler than what's considered normal this time of the year. Normal is about 95, 96, and we hold on to the low 90s for Monday, Tuesday of next week. The heat index right around 100 still because of the humidity that's in place. So here's why we're seeing the cool down. Rain coverage going up to 40% on Sunday, about 30% Monday, dwindling down to about 10% Tuesday and Wednesday. This is all ahead of our next system. Saturday staying completely rain-free, but as we head into Sunday morning, we start to see a little bit of this rain along areas of the Red River. It takes a dip towards the south through the afternoon. This is not going to be a consistent rain. It's going to be pretty scattered in nature. The highest coverage looks to be south of DFW, closer towards southeast Texas. This is Sunday going into Monday. So if you have any outdoor plans, I need you to keep checking back in with me because we'll get better data in the next few days. Here's what I can see. I can see that we're not going to pick up that much rain, maybe a quarter of an inch for most locations. The higher totals will be well towards the southeast, right along that coastline along Louisiana, Mississippi, even into Florida. And it's because the front stalls there, and that's where we're going to see higher rain coverage. Meanwhile, our allergy count moderate for fungus, grasses and weeds all at a low count. And yes, I'm tracking Saharan dust moving back into the state. As of now, it does look like it's mostly in South Texas, but it's already working its way into Central Texas tomorrow morning. It'll be here. It's not going to be a lot for us. We'll see just a little bit in the morning, maybe enough to color our sunrise really nicely. But if you are sensitive to dust, you may feel allergy-like symptoms on Friday, but it's not going to be here for the weekend. It does look like it thins out, it clears out, and the rain certainly will help. Overall, I do have 3 triple-digit heat days in the next 14 days, Karen.